Hello, guys, welcome back to Unleash. First of all, we'd like to wish you a very happy new year. And in today's video, we'll be going to the Janpat market and we'll be exploring not only the Gujarati lane but also the main market. So let's go ahead and see what the market is like. The market has a wide variety of such joggers, and you'll find that these are available in not only a lot of colors but also in a lot of prints and textures. Hello guys, so today we're at Janpat market and we've come here after a long time. So let's see कि market में कैसा collection है. Like today is 12.
Today is 12. It's Sunday, and I think half of the market is closed. So I believe
forgot to check
that
maybe I think
Janpat is closed on Sundays. But nonetheless, we'll still
explore. We'll see कौन से stores खुले हैं.
and what all do we have this time. So let's explore.
The Gujarati lane will welcome you with the most exquisite variety of silver and ethnic jewelry, and the quality is absolutely top notch. I don't think you'll find such quality anywhere else in Delhi, and the vendors are such a delight to talk to. They're so sweet and polite. You'll get a touch of Gujarat right here in this lane. Currently, you'll witness that the vendors are selling a variety of stunning metallic purses, clutches, and bohemian bags. And to be honest, silver bangles are the star of the show. The designs are so intricately beautiful that you can't step away without buying a pair for yourself. I mean, look at for yourself. Moving to the next vendors, we saw that they were selling very beautiful coasters, and I think these ones are really cute. The most authentic collection of Afghani jewelry is available in the Gujarati lane. For example, look at this necklace. This was absolutely real and it was imported from Afghan. Here's me trying a statement ring. What do you guys think? Does it look good? The suit and sari collection of the market is something that you cannot miss, and you'll find the most unique pieces here.
So we have explored the Gujarati market section. Now we're heading towards the main market. The collection, as you saw, was very intricate and very, Gujarati, gives a very cultural vibe. So we'll now head towards the main market and let's see what the collection they have there.
The roadside vendors have a stunning collection of affordable home decor, and we grabbed one of the Buddha statues for just 500 bucks. Yes, this one. Both of us always make sure to visit the shops because of how beautiful their kurti collection is. Not only kurtis, they sell a wide variety of palazzos as well. As we said before, the roadside vendors will definitely grab your attention with their home stuff, be it cushions, table runners, mats, and so much more. Now we have entered the main Janpat market, and the bags collection was stunning, like the baguette bags that you find everywhere on Instagram. They're available for so cheap, and the quality of the woolens here was absolutely amazing, and we all feel that Janpat market is much better than Sarojini market because not only the quality is really good, and the prices are also really nice, and the vendors are sweet too. If you have the vision, I feel like these pieces can be styled in such a great way. They can really give that high fashion look, but you just have to use your mind in the right way. I feel like in winters you can never get enough of basics, and the market caters right to that need. Now it's time for our favorite momos from Janpat market. We have them all the time, but I feel like this time they really changed their quality, so it wasn't up to the mark.
but it's very it's very thin. मतलब दूर से नहीं पता चलेगा शायद, पर पास से it's like बहुत ही पतली, very bad quality. We are just having some gala time and check out my pimples. McDonald's. Check out my. Hello guys. With this, we will be wrapping up our day and back.